Was I missing the brackets before again as well? Oh, fucking shit. Look at that. You can unlock debug tools. Okay, so obviously I don't need debug tools, right? Or do I? I don't think I do actually. Come on, print statements all the way. This is the farmer was replaced. I love idle games. Most importantly because I really enjoy unlocking upgrades. But there was always something missing. I always enjoyed when there was a bit of automation I could set up. But it still wasn't the best. From what I understand, there's this drone which harvests your crops. But you have to code the drone yourself. The movement, stuff like that. I'm so looking forward to it. This game was actually recommended to me in the comments, so thank you very much. It's still in early access, but I really can't wait to play it. So this is where we write our code, and we can run it by pressing this button, and it honestly just seems like this person who made the game made a fully functioning IDE. So here I can just start typing harvest. So that's what we need the drone to do. So I press the tab key and it auto-completes. Now, do I have to put the brackets there? Let me see. Oh yeah, error. Sure. So, okay, so I take it back. The IDE is pretty shit. Because it should auto-complete the brackets as well, right? There we go. Harvested some crops. That's hay. The syntax is similar to Python. Actually, recently we've talked with my colleagues about this, and basically I can't write in Python. You know, I don't know how, I don't know the syntax. However, if I were to write pseudocode, it would be basically Python. And we can do a flip as well. Alright, let's see. So do a flip, please. Okay, the brackets are really annoying me. That's a flip. Nice, so just for fun, we can do a flip as well. Beautiful. Collecting grass will give us hay, and we can use it to unlock loops in the unlock menu. Alright, loops, unlock. We need 5 hay for that, so let's run this twice and unlock the loops now. So we've unlocked a while loop. Do I have to read all this? Come on, I don't, do I? Yeah, I don't think I will. I don't think I will, so sorry, not doing a flip, because as far as I know, it only takes a lot of time. Let's write a while loop, then we write true and this thingy, and then we have to indent it. Let me try running this. Yeah, we do have to indent, and there we go. That's an infinite harvester. Love it. So that's a lot of hay for us. What can we unlock? Increase the speed of the drone or the yield of the grass. So first of all, the speed. And look at that, so fast. What the fuck? Oh shit, hang on. Pause. I think we might actually use the do a flip command right now. Because the grass haven't had a time to grow yet. Yeah, but it's taking way too much time, and I saw another function there. Can harvest. Alright. Oh, look, if branch. I didn't even see that. If condition, do a flip, else if, or elif, alright, forgot about that. And for beginners, yeah, skip that. Can harvest. There we go, can harvest. If the plant under the drone can be harvested. We can use if statements to prevent the drone from harvesting too early. Just what I wanted to do. So, if can harvest, then this thingy again, and indent this, right? Does this work? Oh yeah, that's it. So now I don't even know whether it's faster than before or not. We don't care, we want our unlocks. So yield of the grass would be great, we need 100 hay. So I think that's the goal for now. Look at the tiny drone! Oh, look at this big drone, massive. This is fun. Oh, we've got 100 hay already. So let's unlock this, giving us 2 hay per cut. Now I think these sound effects are soon gonna drive me mental, so hold on a second. What the fuck? It's harvesting even in the menu. So option, audio, and like I don't want to turn it off all the way. I probably won't. Yeah, so it's off, sadly. So let's see what else we can unlock. We've got a lot of hay right now, so we could either unlock planting or expand the farm and unlock movement? Let's do planting first. Grass grows automatically, sure. Or other plants have to be planted with the plant function. We can plant bushes, I see. And what do we get from that? We're gonna leave this main function here for now, like somewhere. Can I minimize it? Oh, I can. Oh, whatever. But what we want to do is create another text field. We're gonna call it plant, and let's say we want to plant a entities.bush, and then let's do a while loop again. So while true, we're gonna plant, and then if can harvest, we're gonna harvest. And actually I might want to do 2 loops, right? Let me first see what this actually does. So yeah, and what? How did this get harvested? That's impossible, isn't it? Because the first step is plant the bush, can harvest is false, so you repeat the loop and plant the bush again. So that's really weird, honestly. Anyway, what do I do with the wood? I don't want any wood, so sorry about that. Let's continue with this main thingy. And there's still the bloody bush. So if we harvest this, yeah, and back to grass. Alright. We can unlock senses for the drone to see what's under it and where it is, but we don't need just yet. Let's just expand first. So now we can move the drone. Specify directions. Oh, and this is important. So if we move over the edge of the farm, the drone will be moved to the other side of the farm, like Snake. Alright, let's actually steal this code for a second. I'm gonna put it here. So if can harvest, I don't think we need this anymore. Let's say you're gonna move north each time, and then you're gonna harvest there, because this should give the grass in this area enough time to regrow before the drone actually reaches it again. So let's see, yeah, grass growing and it's beautiful. So we no longer need to check if the drone can actually harvest. What else can we unlock? Let's sense where the drone is. So the bottom left corner of the area is coordinates 0, 0 of get position X and get position Y. Look at that. You can unlock debug tools. Okay, so obviously I don't need debug tools, right? Or do I? I don't think I do actually. Come on. Print statements all the way. Oh, we need some wood now. So what I'm gonna do is edit this bit of code. So plant the bush, then I would say move north and harvest if you can. So run this code, and yeah, there we go. Just keep moving and harvesting when you can and planting the bushes. Great. Now we've got 30 wood, so we can unlock operators. Alright, these could be useful. Oh shit, hang on. What's this? Is it like divide and this is like with no leftovers? And this is exponential shit? Not and or, sure. Yeah. Okay. Okay, no, I see now. It's explained here. So all the numbers in the game are floating point numbers. But this floors the... Yeah, basically what I said. Yeah, a bunch of shit for beginners. We don't really need that, do we? And yeah, whatever. But I don't think we really need this. We need more expansions, don't we? But to unlock variables, we need carrots. And to unlock carrots, we need 100 more wood. Yeah, look at this. I don't want any debug shit, because it's expensive as well. Performance measuring. No. So while we wait, can I make this any faster? I see that the drone is wasting some time cutting grass before planting. But I don't think it can, like, it harvests and then it wants to plant a bush. And there's nothing else it can do in the meantime, right? Oh no, it doesn't. So it just, you know, it moves twice to harvest the bush and plant it. So we don't care about the grass. It's okay, it's as optimal as it can be. So what I want to do is rename this bit of code. This is plant bushes, and now we're gonna plant carrots. It's not that easy, because what we first need to do is till the ground before we can, you know, plant the carrots. then we actually need to buy carrot seeds. So we're gonna trade item dot items dot carrot seed there, and it actually costs 1 wood and 1 hay. So once we do this, we can plant and entities, was it? Dot carrots. There we go. But soon we would run out of wood. So I'd say have like 1 wood and 1 carrot and 1 grass. Probably. Let's make it self-efficient. So first of all, you harvest grass. Then you move north, you plant a bush. Then you move north again, you buy seeds and you plant carrots. And do all of this forever. So while true, do all of this shit like that. Let's see whether this actually works. Okay, there. So we've got grass and what the fuck? We've got all carrots now. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, stop. Now what I want to do is have another like function here. I hate that I have to like make a separate file just for this, but clear. This should reset the drone and the fields. So let's do step by step. So first we harvest, then we move north, we plant a bush, move north again, we till the ground, buy a carrot seed, plant carrots, and we move, harvest. Oh shit, I forgot to have another move north here, there. So let's clear again. Fuck's sake, I said clear. And let's try this again. So there should be, yeah, carrots, grass. Fuck. Alright. This doesn't work. Why not? Clear, harvest, move, plant a bush, move, till, trade, plant, move. And now we harvest the grass, move north. But what if the bush has not yet grown? We don't, do we? What the fuck happens? So it was skipped. We move north and we untill the ground. I see the problem now. So let's say if we only want to till it once, right? But I don't want to do the if statements. So let's do it like this. There we go. Now pause. And we no longer want to till the ground. So this should now work. We don't harvest the carrots, do we? Nor do we actually. We don't harvest anything. Fucking idiot. So harvest, north, plant, shit, harvest again, and then before planting you harvest again. There we go. Now let's try one more time. Okay, this doesn't work either, because I removed the till. I'm such an idiot. Oh god. Okay, let's make it more clever. So if, how do you say under you there are carrots. Let's say if get ground type is, equals grounds dot soil. What else can we have? Grounds dot, fuck off. Soil and turf. So if you have turf, only then we till. Let's try this. Soil, obviously. Let's try it again. It doesn't work. Oh, not soil. There we go. Oh shit. No, wait. Stop, for fuck's sake. Does this work now? It's harder than expected. What the fuck? Sorry, what's this ground type? Now, either I'm an idiot or there's a bug in the game. What is this type of ground? We either have soil or turf, right? So let's say if this ground type under the drone is not turf, we want to till it, right? And that's gonna keep happening. If we say if it's not soil, then till it, it's also gonna keep happening. Meaning, none of these two ground types is soil or turf. So this is wrong, or I'm an idiot. So I only want to till once, right? That's the issue. Yeah, see? Till the ground under the drone into grounds.soil. If it's already soil, it will change back to turf. So if it's not soil, I want to till. So now this is soil. And why did it turn back? That's wrong. There's a bug in your game. So I'm just gonna go around this and say till everything once, right? So till everything we've got using this shitty function. And now we're just gonna plant carrots. So fuck this and just do trade for carrot seeds. We've got way too many. So plant carrots, move north, harvest, and all of this, do it forever. There. So planting the carrots, harvesting the carrots. Oh shit, hang on. Only harvest if actually, able to. If can harvest, then you harvest. Let's try again. It doesn't work! Why does it not work suddenly? If can harvest, only then you harvest. So, what's the problem? It worked with the bushes. If can harvest. Oh, so I'm missing the brackets here. So why didn't it crash? Why didn't the compiler tell me that I was an idiot? Wait, is this some Python bullshit? Like, this is a string or whatever without the brackets, so it gets, interpreted as a false or some shit like that. I mean, true, as true, because, string is non-zero, so probably that would be really shit. Now, does it get stuck there? No, it keeps going. That's good. So if can harvest, then you harvest, which means once you've harvested, you also want to plant, and also you want to trade for seeds. So trade for items dot carrot seed. There we go. And now we want to stop the code and only trade when we need to. Nice. It seems to be working, finally. But soon we're gonna run out of wood. Now, can we unlock anything else? Watering. Oh shit. Oh shit, there's so much going on and my code is shit already. We should make it, much better. So I've rewritten the code a little and I have a while loop here. If I don't have any carrot seeds available, I buy them. If I can harvest some carrots, I do, and then I plant them immediately as well. After all that, we can move north. So this should work. The only problem is us not having enough wood to actually buy the carrot seeds. I think we also need to, plant some bushes. However, for that to happen, I think I would really need the code to work, with the soil and shit. So I think this could work. So I said, if under you there are carrots, buy the carrot seeds if you need, harvest stuff, plant them again. Otherwise, there's a bush, so harvest it if you can and replant it. Otherwise, there's grass, so just harvest it. The problem is that we need to till this plot of land first, and we can't do that because the game is bugged. So what I'm gonna do is cheat a little and clear all of this and say just till, just like that, till once. Okay, there we go. And that's it. How do I stop the execution? There. So this is tilled. So now we should be able to see the carrots there. Oh, and we might need to plant them as well. So hold on a second. I'm gonna plant the carrots. So then we don't have to, look at the ground type, because that does not work. But instead, we see the carrots. Oh shit, we don't have the fucking seeds. Trade carrot seeds. There we go. So buy carrot seeds and plant them. Okay, that's the purpose of this function. So we can just delete it. And now this should work. You see carrots. You don't have any seeds. So you buy seeds. If you can harvest the carrots, you do so and plant them again. So please. Shit, what the fuck? Num items. The first argument of num items. Oh no, the brackets are wrong. There we go, let's try again. Yes, plant it. And, oh, and we need a bush as well. Fuck. So again, till, plant, carrots. Oh, semicolon. Move north and plant a bush. So this should work, right? Oh, and then, yeah, this is it. Let's try it. We don't have entities.carrot. Fuck. Where's carrots? Entities.carrots. What the fuck are you talking about? Shit. I said clear. So, yeah, carrots and a bush. Alright, so now this should work. You see a bush, you can't harvest. Well, you can now. Why didn't you replant the bush? Why the fuck didn't you replant the bush? So there is a bush. You see entity type which is not carrots, but you see an entity type which is a bush. Oh, again the fucking brackets. I'm just so used to, you know, the IDE putting the brackets there for me. This is shit. Why the fuck? Oh, okay, this was correct this time. And there are no carrots there. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm a little pissed off, right? Because this fucking doesn't work. Just look. If get ground type equals soil, ground.soil, and this, oh, and brackets here, and this fucking is soil, then you're gonna, you know, trade for carrot seeds, and you're gonna plant the carrots. And he's not gonna do that. He's fucking done it. Was I missing the brackets before again as well? Oh, fucking shit. So if get ground type is soil, that's when you plant carrots. I'm gonna unlock variables. I'm not gonna... Or for I in range. Okay, this is interesting. But what I wanted to do is remember that we've got a bush, you know, placed. So elif, or I mean we could do else. Yeah, fuck that. Else, you're gonna harvest. I mean, you're gonna plant a bush if you can't. Plant a bush. And then if you can harvest it, you're gonna. And we're gonna say bush planted. That's a variable equals true. And here we say if bush planted, that's when you plant the bush. No, actually you don't. If not bush planted, so plant it. And here we say bush planted equals true. There. I have to initialize it, of course. Bush planted equals false. Then you do this forever. So no carrots. I haven't planted a bush. So I have planted a bush now. I can harvest shit. But if I harvest a bush, I have to say bush planted is false. Because I've no longer, you know, got it. Remove that bullshit. And does this work? No, it doesn't. Okay, no, again, remove this. Not bush planted. What's your problem? Why can I say not bush planted? Okay, so can I say if bush planted is false? Oh, I can. And there's the bush. Nice. I mean, it seems to be working. Am I getting any wood? Yes, I am. I am getting some wood. I am not sure why those two things keep switching places, but I guess it's okay. I mean, it so does work now. I'd say we can be really happy because I've written finally some code which actually works. So now we've got 3 entities: carrots, grass, bushes. They all get replanted, harvested, and that's what we need. So all of these 3 items are going up, which means in the future we can unlock whatever the fuck we want, right? Trees, functions, watering, multi-trade, sunflowers, lists, dictionary, oh fuck, dictionaries. A lot of stuff. Not debugging though. I'm not an idiot. Alright, see you next time.